bouncing that head out of here was sure fun. I'm glad y'all wasn't watching that because I see y'all been laughing. Hey y'all, welcome to Hillbilly Garage. First fire update is always pretty nerve-wracking. You know, but yeah, this one, we told y'all it's bored 30 over, it's been deck 25, it's got basically a 450 lift cam in it. 450, 460, I forget what the specs is. It's an 8800 Summit cam, roller, but yeah. It sounds pretty daggone sweet. And it's another one we brought back from Too Far Gone. And
the sweet sound of Chevrolet.
Yeah. Here we go. And I've been around it 2 or 3 different times, and we don't have any leaks. Of course, now we gotta let it cool down, and we'll go through and check and make sure all the bolts are tight, and you know, fire it up, warm it up again. But she sounds pretty good, and be ready to set her on the crate and send her to her new home.
Yep.
We'll see y'all. Bye.